Ninja Foodi Max Health Grill and Air Fryer AG551UK review. You'll need to learn to love your Ninja Foodi because it really has to stay on a worktop to ensure you get the most out of it. Plus, at a touch more than 10 kilograms, it's definitely not practical to be lugging it out of a cupboard every time you fancy a batch of chips. It does take up quite a lot of room when it is out on display, which is worth considering if you have a small kitchen or limited worktop space. We also found it became quite hot underneath during use, so be sure it's on a heat-proof surface to prevent any damage. Luckily, it looks as stylish as an air fryer can, with appealing curved lines, a sleek black and silver exterior, a lift-up lid, and a touchscreen display along the bottom. It's very easy to wipe down to keep clean, and more than one visitor admired it in our home, though all assumed it was an indoor pizza oven. You'll need to find a home for either, a definite plus in our book. Apart from the unit itself, which has a removable splatter guard, the box includes a 3.8-liter cooking pot, a 3.8-liter crisper basket, and a 740 centimeter grill plate, which are all ceramic coated and stacked together, though all can simply be kept on the machine itself when not in use. It also comes with a cleaning brush with scraper, an instruction booklet and recipe guide to get you started, and a digital cooking probe that can be stored in the side of the machine. The removable parts can all be cleaned in the dishwasher, but we found it easier to quickly wash by hand using the scraper on any sauces or stubborn marks. We found baked-on grease was easier to shift from the grill plate if we soaked it in water for a while first. Ninja Foodi Health Grill and Air Fryer Performance. Plenty of space to spread out food when air frying. Foods cook and brown evenly. Using this air fryer is slightly different to a standard air fryer with a pull-out basket. Instead, the crisper basket here drops into the appliance. You access food by lifting the top lid. The setup is no better or worse than other air fryers, but it's a bit trickier to shake food mid-cooking, since you'll have to lift out the hot crisper basket in order to do so. To test out the air fry function, we cooked up a batch of frozen thick-cut fries. We set the temperature to 360-180°C, allowing the cooker to preheat with the crisper basket inside. This took just 3 minutes. Once hot, the Ninja Foodi Health Grill and Air Fryer prompted us to add the food and automatically started the countdown timer on closing the lid. There's no reminder to shake or turn food during air frying, but we checked it halfway through, lifting out the basket with oven gloves to give the fries a shake. After 20 minutes, the resulting fries were crisp. Tasted great, but they cooked faster than the 28 minutes they would have taken in an oven. Next, we air-fried chicken wings, and we were impressed that there was enough space in the basket to hold 7 wings side by side. You could easily fit more in if you piled them on top of each other. Before air frying, we coated the wings in half tablespoon oil and preheated the air fryer to 200 Cs. We turned the wings after 10 minutes, and 15 minutes later they were cooked through with beautifully golden crisp skin and moist, tender meat. For our third test, we assessed the Ninja Foodi Health Grill and Air Fryer ability to cook raw hand-cut fries. As per the advice in the air fry chart, we soaked the raw fries in cold water for 30 minutes, then dried them thoroughly. We coated them in 1 to oil and preheated the air fryer to 400 to 200 Cs. The cooking chart advises 23 to 26 minutes and minutes of cooking. We removed them after 18 minutes because they were cooked and golden brown. The insides were fluffy, and the crisping and browning on the outsides of the fried was pretty. The ability to grill is a core function of this air fryer, so we tried it out by grilling 2 beef burgers. We followed the suggestion in the grill chart and set it on high for 6 minutes. The grill is slower to preheat. It takes around 8 minutes, and you have to make sure the grill plate is inside, so it's hot when the food is added. Once preheated, we added the burgers and then turned them after 3 minutes of cooking. We were impressed with the minimal amount of smoke and cooking smells emitted by the Ninja. The burgers were nicely cooked with charred lines on the outside, but the shape of the bars on the grill plate means the markings on the burgers were curved as opposed to the traditional straight marks you'd expect. Cleaning the cooking pot And basket is easy thanks to the non-stick coating, or you can pop it in the dishwasher. The grill plate is a little more fiddly to wash by hand. By Ninja, the air fryer didn't go louder than 55 dB on our noise meter. The grill was slightly noisier, but still only reached 58 dB, which isn't too loud at all. We were also impressed by the included recipe book, which would really encourage less confident chefs to experiment in the kitchen. Recipes are included for marinades, spice rubs, and dipping sauces, and we also rustled up grilled sirloin steak with asparagus, cooking the vegetables while the meat was resting. The recipe for Cajun chicken and pepper kebabs has already become a firm family favorite, while a full breakfast of 4 rashers of bacon, 8 sausages, tomatoes, and mushrooms cooked in a little over 10 minutes. The grill even told us when to flip the sausages. It's the closest we'll ever get to having our own private chef. The verdict: Ninja Foodi Max Health Grill and Air Fryer. We didn't expect to like this machine as much as we did, but we were bowled over by its ease of all 6 cooking functions. It would be a game changer for anyone without easy access to a full-sized oven, and could easily replace daily hob and oven use in any average-sized household. We're looking forward to seeing how it affects our energy bills long-term too. Just be sure you have the worktop space,